I'm Maty Young from Young One Studio, and have you ever noticed that in the entertainment industry, people tend to evaluate you based on the one thing they can immediately see? Maybe you're known as an actor, maybe you're known as a cinematographer, maybe you're known as a producer, a director, whatever it is you are. Maybe you're known as a YouTuber. And the moment people put that label on you, it's almost like everything else just disappears. For me, more recently, that label has become cinematographer, which is fine. And most people don't see that I spent almost 20 years as an actor, going from one theater show to the next, and directing and devising and writing and back and forth, and living inside that world for nearly 2 decades. You know, the rehearsal rooms and performances and constant work year after year. That experience shaped everything I understand now about storytelling. And by the time I got behind a camera, it didn't feel like starting over at all. I felt like I was finally giving myself a paintbrush to paint. And after doing so much theater as an actor and a director and writing, and so many short films as an actor and as a director and behind the camera, it was just sort of a natural extension of everything I already understood about performance, pacing, story, all that stuff. Of course, I still had to develop the craft as a DP because I wanted to expand my company and have more control over the work we produced. Over time, the skill became my full-time job, and for the last 10 years, it's all I've done. My entire job has just been making stuff. But somewhere along the way, labels get stuck, and now people see me and think, oh, that's Maty. He's a cinematographer. Well, in reality, that's just one tiny tool in a much bigger toolbox. Ironically, the very thing that helped me build my company faster also became the thing people used to define it. And when I moved from Melbourne to Los Angeles, something else happened that I didn't fully really appreciate. I think that's the right word at the time. My entire lifetime of relationships and trust and reputation and organic networking in the industry disappeared overnight. Back home, people knew me, they'd seen my work, they'd worked with me, they'd acted with me for a long time, they knew what I was capable of because they watched my journey unfold over a lifetime. And then I landed in Los Angeles, and none of that history came with me, and none of it mattered anymore, for better or for worse. I was starting from zero again. Nobody knew the hundreds of hours put in, the endless performances, the years of training, the productions I'd been part of, the theater companies, all the experience I'd built. They could only judge what was directly in front of them. And because cinematography was the thing I was working on at the time and doing every day, that's what I became known for. It made me realize something. Your experience comes with you, but your reputation doesn't. Often doesn't. Every time you move cities, change industries, or reinvent yourself, people only see the chapter you're currently writing, not the thousands of pages that came before it. What they don't see is the 20 years before that, the 30 years before that. They don't see the hundreds of hours, the countless shows, the rehearsals, performances. They don't see the failures, the late nights, the mistakes, the risks, the years spent developing yourself to where you are now. They see the title, not the journey. And I think that's one of the most frustrating realities of working in the entertainment industry. The industry loves shortcuts. We all do it. We see someone's IMDb page and we make assumptions. We see their follower count and we make assumptions. We see one project and assume that's all they do or all they've done. We see someone's age and assume we know where they are in their career. It's complete human nature. Our brains are constantly trying to simplify people into narratives, into little categories. And the problem is artists aren't categories, they're collections of experiences. A director might have spent 10 years acting. An actor may have spent 15 years studying writing. A cinematographer might understand story better than the producers or the person directing the film. But because the industry is moving so fast, people never stop long enough to discover that. They never will. And if you're on the receiving end of it, it can feel very unfair sometimes. You start thinking, why don't they see everything I've done? Why don't they understand how much experience I have, how much I've given, why am I constantly being underestimated? Truth is, most people aren't intentionally dismissing you. They simply just don't have access to your entire story, and they don't have time. They're making decisions based on the information available to them right then and there. And that's what a lot of creatives, and that's where a lot of creatives get stuck. They spend years trying to convince people they're more than the label, trying to explain themselves, trying to prove themselves, trying to get validation from people who only know this little postcard moment of their journey. What I think I've learned is that the solution isn't convincing anyone. The solution is just not caring. Continue to build undeniable work. Build enough evidence in the now that when you start accumulating that now, the labels become impossible to maintain. At some point, the actor will direct a great film. The cinematographer will produce and direct and act and write. The editor will write and direct and maybe even act. The theater performer creates a company, and suddenly people say, oh, I had no idea you were doing that or could do that. The reality is they can always do that. You were just seeing that one little moment through a very narrow lens. And one of the hardest lessons in this business is realizing that your career will often be years ahead of your reputation. You become the person before people recognize you've become the person. Now read that again or listen to that again. Your career is often years ahead of your reputation. If you can understand that, stop taking it personally. Stop needing to tell everyone or needing everyone to understand your journey. Just be on the journey. Stop fighting to be seen. Just focus on the work. Focus on getting better, on creating. Eventually, reputation catches up. No, not always as quickly as you'd like, but it catches up. And until then, don't let someone else's limited understanding become your own or affect you, because the people who know you best aren't the ones who see the title. They're the ones who understand the years that came before it. They're the ones who understand what it takes to get there. And more importantly, you know the years that came before it. That's enough to just keep moving forward. So keep doing it. Keep going. Never quit. I'm Maty Young from Young Studio, and I'll speak to you next time. See ya.
It keeps bringing me joy.